Tony's gigantic animals. The databank is on. I have eaten. So let's take a look at the first request.
Hello, Tony. I'd like to see a picture of a gigantic horse. Have you got any, Tony?
A gigantic horse. Let's look and see. That really is a gigantic horse. He must eat a lot of sugar cubes. Let's have the next request.
I'd love to see a gigantic snail.
Goodness me, a gigantic snail. You don't find many of those in the wild. Let's look and see. I can't find one, but let's keep looking. Golly gosh, what a gigantic snail. I hope I don't find one of those in my garden. Who's next?
Please, can I see a gigantic pig?
Well, that's an easy one. Let's take a peek. Certainly one of the most gigantic pigs I've ever seen. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my gigantic animals. I know I have. See you next time. Goodbye.